Okay, y'all, I was on lunch and something was like, go to the Dollar Tree. Something's been telling me to go to the Dollar Tree. I was like, I'm not going back to the Dollar Tree. I'm tired of spending money. It ain't sold nothing. I'm just buying and not selling anything. So guess what I did today? I went to the Dollar Tree. So these are the new finds that I found in my store. I'm going to show them to you now. Excuse the car junkie. I gotta do what I gotta do. Look at this, y'all. I didn't do it in the store, but you can tell I got it from Dollar Tree because I paid $1.50. But look at how beautiful they are. They actually have clear, but they just got a new truck, the truck last night, and somebody went and bought them out. So they have the red. So I got a stack of that. I got everything that was left. I guess I'll go to the other Dollar Trees to get them because guess what? This is great for Christmas. Put that right there. And it is great for Valentine's Day. Oh, goodness. And then they have these. I'm trying to do it so y'all can see it without seeing my junky car. But you see how big those are? Those are, yeah, absolutely perfect. Let me put that on there. Oh, you can't see it like that. But it's just perfect for big baskets. Not too deep, not too big. Okay, so they apparently, yeah, it's $4. Got some of that perfume in that somebody did a post about. So we're gonna try that out. And then these have, I guess, have been in there. They have humidifiers, so they have the pink, the green, and this blue. Oh, this stuff. They probably been had this, which is honey flower body wash, gel douche, whatever. I don't know if anybody's still douching. It's crazy. But now they have brown sugar and honey body wash. Apparently, yeah, it was a lot of it. But somebody came in there and bought it all. It's this melanin rich skin, so I'm suing somebody. And they got the body mist to go with it. And they have the brown sugar honey scrub. So I'm gonna smell this stuff. Hold on. Yeah, hold on. Okay. So they've sold me on that, just but the spray alone. That smells awesome. I love cocoa butter, shea butter, honey, the sugar, all that type of, it just, I don't know. I love that smell. So there you have it. Go run to the Dollar Tree. But don't buy it up before I can get there. I got to get off work. Then I'm going to all the Dollar Trees to get it because I have my product.